unpredictable talaga ng weather these days. Kahit pa El Nino season na, madalas pa ring umuulan. And for us girls, worst nightmare ang magmukhang disaster on a rainy day. Well, don't let the rain stop you from being stylish. Worry no more dahil kinompleto na namin ang iyong rainy day essentials. Ang ating style hunt magsisimula dito sa Divi. First priority syempre ang umbrella na is talagang rainy day must have. Kung gloomy na ang panahon, bawiin ito sa pagpili ng vibrant na payong that comes in huge selection kagaya na lang ng neon-colored two-fold umbrellas na ito. Chic and stylish for just 250 pesos lang na pwede pang tawaran. Nariyan din ang mga transparent umbrellas na may floral accent na mabibili ng 65 pesos lang. And if you wanna go plain, meron ding mga high-end umbrellas na fiber ang quality at very durable. Perfect in the rain din itong mga waterproof transparent backpacks na ito na nakaka-good vibes sa mga color choices. Have it for only 250 to 200 pesos. Another essential, rainy day footwear. Whether rain boots man yan o water-resistant plastic shoes, nagkalat yan dito sa Divi. Say no to boring boots na rin dahil pwede ka nang magpaka-fab in the rain sa mga cute rain boots na ito. May iba't ibang patterns na perfect terno sa iba't ibang outfits mo. And ang prices, 280 hanggang 200 pesos lang. When it comes to raincoats, simple and plain halos ang ibinebenta dito sa Divi, katulad ng red poncho na ito. For kids, di pa rin mawawala syempre ang mga cartoon characters. From our cheap finds sa Divi, let's go to Shang naman to level up our rainy day style hunt. Step above the normal rain boots with these super trendy and fashionable Pluis rain boots na distributed by Ready for Rain exclusive para sa mga stylish Pinay.
So yung Pluis kasi, this came out in 2007 in Manila. First, galing siyang Hong Kong, and then they used to sell it in the US, the UK, and Singapore only. There's a market for Pluis kasi like, it always rains in Philippines. As in, parang half of the year yata umuulan, pero yung mga rain boots na meron tayo, galing yung mga normal lang na mabibili mo sa department store. Sometimes mo feeling mo parang kung bata lang.
From the French word pluie that basically means rain, instead na magmukmok sa ulan, ang mantra ng Pluis, celebrate the rain. And take note, ang mga designs nito, collaboration from different artists around the globe.
This is actually the latest, yung Pluis Rewind. It's a collaboration with Lian Hatch, a graphic artist from Seattle. And yung concept niya, it represents the Pluis girl na parang we love to travel, we love to go around. Baba Blues, what we call this kind of boots. This brings you back to yung nursery rhymes before. Tapos ito naman actually, this is one of my favorites, Kaleidoscope.
Perfect #OOTD naman for these rain boots ang very classy, lightweight raincoats from Trench. And yep, it's not a trench coat, but a raincoat.
Itong waterproof raincoat na to, it looks plain on the outside. Kasi this one is black only. There's another one that's oxblood red and another one that's cobalt blue. Pero yung lining na inside is very plainful, as you can see.
Not just fashionable but very functional rin ito na ang hoodies may added visor effect to keep you from the pouring rain. Pero ang nakaka-excite talaga, you can easily mix and match stretch to any of your outfits.
Parati ako nagsasubscribe sa idea na pwede kang magka-basic piece, tapos completing piece at saka isang highlighting piece. Yung highlighting piece ko ito, ang basic piece ko, something simple like this, siguro light pink, any color na very basic, pero maganda yung mga may texture. Tapos, what you can complete it with is your trench raincoat. One of the things is, pwede mo siyang gawing trench coat, sasara mong ganyan. Ayan. Ito, pwede mong isara, pwede mo itali. Ayan, tatali mo lang ng ganyan. Yung itsura na niya, mukha na siyang normal. Kunwari, hindi bagay yung kulay nito. Hindi bagay yung kulay ng damit ko. I get socks na medyo nagmamatch. nagko-complement. Dati kasi ganyan lang yung fluies.
Yes.
Di ba? Pag
Normally.
ganyan lang. Normally, yung ginagawa ko, lalabas ko siya ng konti at tatakpan ko. So, meron akong accent dun sa, dun sa rain boots ko.
O di ba? Pwedeng add-on sa wardrobe mo. Women of today are into trends, choosy sa look, even sa style. But remember, in dressing up, comfort should always come first. So girls, stay dry and stay stylish. Mary Ann Bastasa, News Team 13.